Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through downtown Kingston. On the left is Ministry of Finance, that's the government agency, the government ministry I should say. We're on National Hero Circle heading towards downtown Kingston. Straight ahead is the Ministry of Education. On the left we're passing the Ministry of Labour and Social Security. Downtown Kingston is one of the busiest places in Kingston, actually in Jamaica. Kingston is the largest city in Jamaica. Straight ahead at blue building, blue and yellow, is the Ministry of Education. Kingston is the largest city in Jamaica and it has the largest population. So you're going to find a lot of government buildings and agencies in the downtown area. On the right, is the National Heroes Park. We're going to do a separate video on National Heroes Park so you can get the history and learn more about it. Okay, we're now heading on to North Street. And straight ahead you can see the Kingston Harbor. On the left, that tall building is the Tax Administration Jamaica building. And the blue building on the left now that's coming up, that's the Gleaner. This is one of the Gleaner is the oldest publication in Jamaica. It's been around for hundreds of years. And this is their head office where they do all the printing. Now, if we turn left, we would stay on North Street and that would take us to the schools like George's and KC and eventually out to Camp Road. But we're going to go straight and go on to East Street and continue towards Kingston Harbor or the Bank of Jamaica building, which is that tall building that you see straight ahead. Today is a Sunday, so the area or the downtown area isn't really busy today, but during the week it's a very busy place. On the left is the Ministry of Labour and Social Services. So we're on East Street heading towards Kingston Harbor. One thing about downtown Kingston, it has a lot of one-ways just to help with the flow of traffic. And the part we're going to drive through today is more the business part. You have the residential part with a lot of communities, and then you have the shopping part that has a lot of stores, a lot of wholesales. But we'll leave those sections for another day. We're just going to focus on the business part today. Also, we're going to do a video about the history of downtown Kingston, so you can look out for that. Okay, this intersection is East Queen Street. As we said, Kingston is the largest city, so a lot of business takes place in the city of Kingston. So the roads that lead into Kingston are usually very busy, so they've started to renovate them. They've done a project called the Port Royal Street Revampment Project, where they've fixed or upgraded the road from the airport that leads from the airport into downtown Kingston, and it passes through central Kingston. So if you're coming from St. Thomas, Portland, Harborview, that end of the island, you would take the Port Royal Street Road into Kingston. Now straight ahead is the Air Jamaica building. Behind it is the Bank of Jamaica building, and we're just passing the intersection with Harbour Street now. And then now we're passing the intersection of Port Royal Street. That's the Bank of Jamaica building straight ahead. You can't see it right now, but the Scotia building is also there. Now persons have asked, and I'm curious too, why is the building still named the Air Jamaica building? Air Jamaica has gone out of business, and yet the building, okay, on the right, that's the Scotia building, but we're not going to get a good look at it right now. Right, back to the Air Jamaica building. Okay, straight ahead is a Jamaica Conference Center, which is the largest conference center in Kingston. That's where they have meetings, functions, conventions. Very nicely put together. Okay, straight ahead now is the Kingston Harbor. This is the 7th largest natural harbor in the world. As you can see, numerous ships are docked out there waiting to get into the Kingston Harbor, to the port of Kingston, sorry. Now we're on Ocean Boulevard. On the right is the Oceana Hotel, which is being renovated. I'm not sure if it's going to still have the Oceana name, but it's being renovated. On the left is a very popular restaurant complex. I think it's called Ocean 7. It has the Gloria's Victoria Pier. I think that's the name of it. No, Ocean 7 Sky Bar. And it's also called a Victoria Pier. It overlooks the Kingston Harbor, so you know the view is spectacular. It has popular restaurants like Gloria's, which is a famous seafood restaurant from Port Royal, over there. Gloria's is still in Port Royal, they just have another location here. And then coming up on the right is the Digicel head office. There you can see it now. The government was trying to restore downtown Kingston. So they told companies that if you move your head office to downtown Kingston, you would get tax benefits. So you'll see a lot of new high-rise buildings going up or have gone up, and it's in an effort to help restore downtown Kingston, and it seemed to have worked. Okay, this is Ocean Boulevard. On the right is the Kingston Harbor. On the left is the UDC building. Straight ahead, that white building is a hotel. Used to be the Oceana Hotel. On the left is a residential building. I'm not sure what the name of this building is. Oh, the road has been blocked off for the construction. Alright guys, thanks for watching the channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe.